Now you can see where Lisbon is, and sorry, I'll just be passing in front of the projection every now and then. So Lisbon is, as you know, here, and which is the second city in Portugal? Porto. Porto in the north, on the coast as well. And here you can see Beja, okay, so about 180 kilometers away. Okay, and by the way, the other option was Coimbra. Coimbra is also there in the center, okay, of the country. Now let's see, the next one. A bit about population. How many people are there in Portugal? How many inhabitants? 11. Any different answers? So everyone 11 million? And you are right, okay? So here you can see a map with the Portuguese population. This is, can you see from here? Is that okay? So these are the official data, okay, from the census 2011. So Portugal had approximately 10.5 million, okay, a few years ago. So in a few years we will get updated official information. Now, if you look at that map there, you can see that the population is actually not distributed in an equal manner, okay, in the whole territory. Where do most people live? Can you notice it? On the coast. On the coast. And if you look at Alentejo, where we are, so where Beja is, it's one of the least populated areas, okay? But Alentejo actually represents a lot of the country, okay? How many parts does Alentejo have? Do you know? 3. Well, 3 districts, okay? We could, well, actually more, but we have 2 bigger regions, Alto Alentejo, like Higher Alentejo, and Baixo Alentejo. And together they make up approximately 1/3 of the territory of mainland, okay? But as you can see, it's one of the least populated areas, okay? But with beautiful landscape, scenery. Okay, let's move on. Portugal borders with, okay, which one? A, B, C, or D? A. A, Spain and the Atlantic Ocean. Any different answers? No. And you're right. Usually the question here is, some people, okay, sometimes think that Portugal borders with the Mediterranean. A lot of people actually, and students who come here have this idea, but as you know, the Mediterranean is only from Gibraltar eastwards, okay? So actually, you'll get to swim here, and it will be the Atlantic Ocean, okay, for sure, and then Spain, so our neighbor. Now let's move on. Now, how many kilometers of coastline does Portugal have? 700? Okay, C. Is that the only answer or different answers? D. D, okay? And actually, you're right. So it's 850 kilometers. Okay, so Portugal is a small country. But as you can see, you have a lot of kilometers of coastline to explore, okay? And that's why we have, okay, so why tourism related to the sea is so important, okay? Portugal is actually very connected so with the ocean. Now, the 2 Portuguese archipelagos are, and is it clear what it is, an archipelago for everyone? It's not a very easy word. No. It's what? What's an archipelago? It's a group of what? Of islands. Okay, just checking. So let's see. Which option is correct? D. D, Madeira and the Azores. Okay, that's correct. Now my question, where is Madeira, this archipelago, and the Azores? Does anyone know? Where is Madeira? Oh, on the left side, so you mean, okay. Okay, when you say on the left, so it's, but actually, so Madeira, and can you see it from there? I know it's quite small, but, okay, it's southwest of Portugal, okay, but off the African coast already. And the Azores are also west of Portugal, but about 2 hours by plane approximately, okay, from Lisbon, okay?